Hello, beautiful soul. So, do you keep wondering how do you get or how do you write your journal prompts? I'm here to help you. So, this new moon is an invitation to go within and nurture your emotional world. Set aside some time to work on this journal prompt. So, here are a few journal prompts for you for this new moon. So, what does emotional safety means to me? Okay, who and what helps me feel safe and protected? What am I ready to let go of that no longer nurtures me emotionally? Where in my life do I need to set boundaries to protect my peace? What would it look like to mother myself through this new chapter? What intentions do I want to plant that supports my emotional healing and homecoming? Okay, happy journaling.